productivity at the user's end is integral to everything we start out to accomplish. Today, more than ever, time is money. A truck that continues to add up savings as time passes truly turns out to be your best buy. The right choice. From every angle. Day in, day out, the Linde 39X renews proof of its value for money. Not least of all by the standard version being fully suitable for container stuffing and stripping, without any sacrifice of operator comfort. Retrieving, transporting, stacking. There's no magic involved in the speed of goods handling. Purely and simply superior forklift engineering.